Last night, I died. Not forever, just for 8 hours. I closed my eyes, my breathing slowed, and I slipped away from the world. No thoughts, no dreams, no awareness. Just perfect, empty darkness. They say sleep is the brother of death, and in that moment, it really felt like it. My body went completely still. I couldn't feel time passing. I couldn't respond to anything around me. In the deepest stages of sleep, my brain waves became so slow, they looked almost exactly like the brain of someone in a coma. So the question haunted me, was I half dead while I slept? But here's what I discovered while I was lying there, dead. My body wasn't idle. It was working harder than most people realize. Deep in slow-wave sleep, my muscles were repairing themselves. My immune system was growing stronger, and toxins that had built up during the day were being cleared away. Then came the dreaming stage, REM sleep. My brain suddenly lit up. My eyes darted beneath my eyelids. My heart rate rose. I was processing emotions, sorting memories, and making sense of everything I had lived through that day. And the most incredible part? My brain was literally washing itself. Gentle waves of fluid flowed through it, flushing out harmful waste proteins, the same waste that, if left behind, can contribute to Alzheimer's and dementia. I wasn't dead. I was being carefully restored. When the morning light finally touched my face, one soft alarm, one gentle shake, and I came back, refreshed, recharged, fully alive. Sleep isn't the cousin of death. It's the cousin of life. It's the nightly reset button that keeps us breathing, thinking, and feeling. So the next time someone says, "I slept like the dead," smile quietly and remember, you weren't dead. You were more alive than you think.